all in my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you need no. Plenty pitching, whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flipping, keep it hunting like a seed note. Switching, keep it pimping every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Now today we got the most amazing grape salad. So the first thing you want to do is get you some green grapes and some red grapes, and we're going to go ahead and get them things cleaned up. Now I have 2 pounds each, but I'm only going to use about 2 pounds in the recipe. So I mean 4 pounds each, but I'm only using a pound each in the recipe. So first step you want to do is get your grapes clean. Now if you know anything about non-organic fruits, they contain pesticides, and you can see it all on there. Matter of fact, while I'm separating these grapes, like my hand is covered in like dirt and debris. So what you want to do is fill that bowl up with some cold water, and then we're going to go in with about a half a cup of distilled vinegar, and that's white distilled vinegar. And we're going to add more water to it until they completely cover the grapes. And we're going to go ahead with our hands. We're going to agitate those grapes. And we're trying to get all of those pesticides off of these grapes and the dirt and debris. Like, this water is supposed to be so funky when you get done with this, with all the dirt and debris in it, that you'll be glad that you cleaned these grapes. And we just want to continue to agitate them. And I'm just showing you how beautiful these grapes are. But you see that water right there look very mucky and like swamp water almost. And so what you want to do is you want to go in and grab handfuls of grapes, and you're going to pull them out. You do not want to pour the grapes in something with this water, because all the dirt will fall back on the grapes. So you just want to take all the grapes out individually and then discard the water. You see how bad that water look? And that's full of like pesticides and maybe some bugs or dirt. So get rid of that water, and then we're going to repeat that step. And once we repeat that step, we're going to do that twice. And then this last step here is we're going to just clean it with some cold water. And that's just regular old cold water. You want to make sure you clean all that, all those pesticides off the grapes. Like, when you're cleaning it, you can actually smell it. If to me, it almost smells like latex. But once your grapes are cleaned in the vinegar bath, we're going to go ahead with just a water bath just to clean the excess vinegar off of the grapes. And that's what I'm doing there. So just still agitating it again. If it's anything else on there, it's going to fall to the bottom. And the second time, well, the last time when you get done cleaning the grapes, that water should still be beautiful and clear water. So you want to clean the grapes until your water is clear like this. So how many ever times it take, that's how many times you go. If your water's still a little dirty, just clean your grapes again. But you want to make sure these things are completely cleaned, and until your water is clean when you take the grapes out. And once we get done, we're gonna set it over some paper towels and let them blot dry. And there we go. And grab you a couple for the snack, you know, taste them, make sure they okay. So, all right, once we get our grapes done, we're going to get 4 ounces of cream cheese, and we're going to go ahead and mix that up. Then we're going to go in with a 1/4 cup of sugar, and that's plain white granulated sugar. We're going to mix that up into that cream cheese. And then from there, we're going to go in with 4 ounces of sour cream. And that's just for this recipe here. But if you did more, you add more. But we're going to get that mixed in. And then we're going to go in with some of my homemade vanilla. I'll link that video down below, show you guys how to make homemade vanilla. That stuff actually steeped or set for a whole year. So it's very potent and delicious and beautiful. Then you're going to scrape the bowl. And then you're going to go ahead and continue to mix until that batter is completely smooth like this. Oh man, silky, silky, silky. So once we get that point, we're going to go ahead and add about a pound of grapes in. And we're going to mix them up because we want the rainbow in there. So both kind of grapes, just add it in and then mix it into the batter. We're going to add more grapes in until it's our desired texture, our desired look. So once we get those grapes added in, We're gonna go ahead and continue to mix it in. Oh man, that looks so beautiful. You see that? Then we're gonna go ahead and add it into a vessel that we're gonna serve it in or chill it in. And then we're gonna go ahead and begin to top this thing. So you want to top it with a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and that's just plain brown sugar. Just go on the top. You don't have to mix that stuff in, just on the top. That's how we're gonna do it. Then I added a 1/2 cup of chopped roasted pecans that I roasted off myself after that. And that's the pecans right there. You can let it chill, let the pecans cool off after you get done roasting them, and then add it to it. But you want to make sure you roast those off because you want that good crunch, and you want those oils to be like potent. So yeah, make sure you toast those pecans off. And man, there you have it, the most amazing grape salad. And then we're gonna finish it off with some peppermint, straight from Benita's garden. Shout out to Benita for all the fresh herbs. And that is peppermint. And oh man, it's just the aroma with the beautiful grape salad and the peppermint. It smells so fantastic, man. But there you have it, the most amazing grape salad. Like I said, man, this thing is so amazing. And it's a pretty cool dessert, especially coming out for the summer, going into the fall. You want something like light, but still good and decadent at the end of the day. And you still want to enjoy those great grapes that we had over the summer. So yeah, man, if you're looking for a good sweet treat, this is it. The most amazing grape salad, man, from the Bistro. Thank you guys for checking this video out. Like, comment, share, subscribe, man. Grape salad. I'm out.